part 2 of the hunt. We found another hot spring, and I'm tripping around. Hey Dad, leave us alone for an hour. Me and Sarah got some skinny dipping to do. Woohoo! Holy shit, hey you guys? Fucking nice. Natural hot spring again. Only in BC, of course. Just outside of my local town, Terrace. I don't know if you guys can see, the water is actually boiling in the center. Yeah, I can get it too. That shows how hot the water is for all you YouTube fanatics. Oh, just covered in steam there. I can't even see the tub anymore. Jesus. For all you assholes at Radian that likes to charge people for this shit, fuck you. And I don't know if you guys can see the resort in the back with the hot tubs and the, well, water slides, sorry, and there's hot tubs, but that whole thing is fed with 100+ degree natural hot spring water. Yeah, I'm just gonna, I don't know if I can actually reach it now. Woo! Nice and warm. Love it.
Oh God.
Yeah. That's it's about 150 feet around, just natural hot spring, and it's fed in right here. I don't know if you guys can see the steam coming out right there, but it's a natural hot spring I'm walking on. And there's the size of it. Freaking huge. Going for a swim. See you guys.